Yeah. Oh. This is our last portage. 38 rods from Seagull Lake to Seagull River. We're going around those falls. You can hear them. So we're taking the packs first, and then we'll go back for the canoe. So we're trying to assess the terrain. It's pretty much downhill, I think, for here. But we'll see. You can probably see my shadow. Trying to get the GoPro to. Okay, let's take it. Nice portage on a road. I think we go to campsite 18 a little bit here. Is this 18? Take it. Because we didn't go by the dumpster. Well, good, no one's here. This is the one we went through last year. There's the falls. We're going around. It's a river. Now the downhill. There's the rapids. This is day 4. We left at 9 this morning. Right now it's noon. 11:56. And I have 7,700 steps so far. We've been getting around 20,000 steps a day with all our hiking. We just stopped at the Palisades and climbed up to the top of them. No GoPro from there, but a video. Pictures. Okay. This wasn't that bad. It's our 12th or 13th portage. I don't remember. 13.
Lucky 13.
Plus we went up to the Palisades. That was like a portage, but we didn't have to carry the canoe. Okay. That's great. Last time I have to carry this pack. There's a baby loon in the water. I don't know if you can see it right there. The baby ones aren't black and white, they're tan. There's another baby. The mom must be around.
Give me that camera and I'll get a picture of you with the pack on.
Oh.
Or not.
Or not.